Hello, good morning and welcome to the live stream.
Hello, good morning and welcome to the live stream.
And it's time we trade and make money. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe. If you find this stream helpful, kindly hit the like button. You can ask your questions on the live chat. Okay, if you don't have a trading account, I've provided a link in the description. You could create your trading account on IK option. Okay, so you can see my account starting with $100 and my initial deposit, which is $100, but I'm going to trade with $10 for each trade, and then I'm going to set my stop loss at $5. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need to change your chart type to candlesticks. I know most of the charts will be like this. You have to change your chart type to candle first. Then we're going to set our moving averages and our indicators. Moving averages, and I use one oscillator. So let me show you how you're going to set the three indicators. Let me show you the three indicators we're going to use. It's medium. Let me show you here. You can see my indicators already added. You can see the first one. Set your period at 25, set the type at EMA, color at red, and thickness, period thickness medium. So for the second indicator, thickness at medium also. Second indicator, period at 18, type at EMA. And then for the third indicator, now remember we're using indicators of moving average. So for the third indicator, to be red, color yellow, sorry. So for the Awesome Oscillator, we're going to set the slow period at 35, the fast period at 4. So let me show you my Awesome. See my Awesome Oscillator, 35, and then the fast period at 4. So once you've set your three indicators and Awesome Oscillator, and then this is the Awesome Oscillator down here. This is the positive side and this side. So once our yellow line crosses the two red lines in the upward direction, and our Awesome Oscillator is also on the positive side, we're going to buy the currency. So we're going to click on the buy button, and also when the yellow line crosses the two red lines going in the downward direction, and also our Awesome Oscillator is also on the negative side, we're going to sell the currency. So we're going to click on sell. I think I wrote that. Okay, so you can see when the yellow line crosses the two red lines in upward direction and the oscillator moves to the positive side, click on the buy button, close the trade once we're in profit. So for each, once we're riding the trend, so for each profit we make, we cash out, we close the trade, we keep riding the trend, we cash out, we're riding the uptrend and the downtrend. So then we close the trade. Now once we've gotten that, we also need to get another signal. So we're using investing.com. So investing.com, you go to investing.com, you have to open it in another tab on your system. Investing.com, on the home page, you look closely the home page, you're going to see this graph here. So you go to Forex, see Euro USD, then we have a strong buy signal. Just like looking at the graph, you see crosses the two red line on the upward side, it's also on the positive side. So it's also showing us that we have a strong buy. So check the 5-minute time frame, minutes, 1 hour, the daily for the Euro USD. Check the JPB, Euro Shelf, ADS. You have other currency pairs. So for me, I like trading 3 currency pairs or 2 or 1. You know, the more you, so you need to you need to properly arrange yourself so you don't trade a lot of currencies at the same time. So for Euro USD, which is the one I love trading, you see for the 5 minutes we have a strong buy, 10 minutes we have a strong buy, hourly we have a strong buy. But then you're going to look here. If you look here very well, you're going to see for the moving averages here, you're seeing 8641. Check for the 15 minutes, you're seeing 11710. Check for the hourly, seeing 00. Now, once you have to, before you place your buy, you need to make sure that here it's at least 11, and then you're having like 00 here for the sell. Because for this hourly now, you can see that you're having 0 and 1 here, and you're having 11 and 8 here. So this is the same thing we want to have on the 5 minutes. So it means that now is not really the best time to buy, even though it's saying it's a strong buy. So we have to keep waiting. We check on the hourly. On the hourly, you have strong buy of 12, strong buy of 9. You have 00. So we need to have the same 00 on these 5 minutes and 15. So you see now the 5 minutes now is on the sell. So you see what I said. You don't place your, even though you're saying it's strong buy, it could change anytime. But if here was 00, means that here is still going to be on a strong buy. But see now you just moved to a sell and it was on the buy. It was a strong buy before. It means it's still on a strong buy. So you see, if it's that we place the buy, oh, you can see now. See it's going down. If it's that we place the buy, we have lost that trade there. So we keep monitoring the charts. We're investing $10 and put our leverage at 1,000, stop loss $5. You could, depending on your accounts, depending on your account size, depending on your account size, you should not trade more than, for each trade, don't place each trade more than at least 10% of your total account. So you see we have $100 for each trade. I'm trading with $10, and then stop loss at 5. You could set stop loss at 3, but I like giving my stop loss some small distance, so I keep it at 5. So let's see. One is nice for us to trade now. For the JPB SD, still have, for the sell we still have 3 zeros, so it's not still the right time. Still check on the 5 minutes. 5 minutes still on the sell. Now even if it's on the sell, you don't place your trades. You have to see a strong sell. So you can see they have a lot of indicators, a lot of moving averages. So this one combined with our own that we've set on the platform, we're going to buy and sell. Keep monitoring the graph, monitoring the chart. Let me check if I have any. Okay, so if the video is helpful, kindly like the video. Every day, though I'm having some issues with network today, but I promise every day we'll keep trading, and then keep trading together and we'll make money together. Okay, so you can see the Euro USD is on a downtrend right now, so we need to get a strong sell. So if we could get a strong sell, see you still have a buy, we still have a sell, so we need to get a strong sell here before we could place a sell there. So for the hourly, you still have a strong buy. This is still going to change later. Let's check if there's any currency. Let's check. You have a buy minutes, but for the 5 minutes, So you could ask your questions on the live chat. Ask your questions on the live chat, and I'll get to answer. So this is what I do every day. I monitor the charts and then when is the right time to enter. The thing about trading forex is that all times are not every time is not the best time for you to place your. There are sometimes that are good, there are sometimes that are bad. So when you really notice that okay, the market is on an uptrend, you buy, and when you know the market is on a downtrend, but sometimes the market just fluctuates and then that's not a good time to trade. And then your risk strategy, place your stop loss at least 50% or 30% of your investment. That's at $5 or $3, but I'm using 5. So each. So the website investing.com, that's the website. On the website, on the homepage, you're going to see their. This is a popular website for forex, showing live charts for forex indices. Wow, so we have a strong buy now, Euro USD. Okay, so we have a strong buy, but having 5 to buy this. USD. So I told you have to make sure that okay, like at least if it's a strong sell, we have a strong sell. I mean, you have to make sure that at least this is 0 and then at least 0 or 1, and then here is higher. But as you can see, it's almost on. Lose that trade. So let's play. I think let's place a sell on this because we have a strong sell here. It's not more on a strong sell. You see now it's now on only sell. It's not more on a strong sell. Kind of a risky. Even you still have a strong buy. Olin said, great strategy, thanks. Alright, we're going to test the strategy. I've been using the strategy for a long time, but I always love like building my account gradually. So at least for in a week, if you could take your account like 30% or 20, 30, 40% and increase, I think is nice. So forex is not something you start with $100 and you turn it to $1,000 in 1 hour or something. You need to grow slowly. Always monitor the charts to know when is the right time. Okay, for the JPBUSD, we have a strong buy. Strong buy for the 50. Strong buy for 550. All is on neutral. So you can see, you see the strong buy. You having for the sell, you're having 0. For the sell, you're having 2. Let's check. Having a strong buy here. 2. Let's place it here. Sorry. What's that entry, right? Does that entry? Have a strong day. Right. Let's monitor. Wow. Now the loss of 5 set of stop loss at $3. Monitor JPBUSD. Let's see if we can make a profit. The Euro USD, you can see on the downtrend. So I placed $10 and set our stop loss at $5, and let's see. I'm gonna make a profit. Okay. You know, you could always adjust your stop loss depending if you see okay it's not moving in your direction again. Still on a strong buy. And also the yellow has crossed the 2 red line. See the oscillator, Awesome Oscillator is on the positive side. So let's adjust the stop loss to $5. Okay. So we place $10 on this. Let's see if we're gonna make a profit. So for the Euro USD, you see still on fluctuating. We're not sure if it's on a downtrend right now or on a normal sell. So we need to have a strong sell here. For we to have a strong sell here needs to be like 0 and 1 or 0. Have a strong buy. So Euro USD is now on a good. Okay, now you see we're on a profit for JPBUSD. We're on a profit of $1. I think we should close the trade. Oh shit. Let's wait. Literally, I always back on a profit again of 1. Okay, let's close. Okay, so wow, we made a profit of 0.16. Okay, let's buy again. Let's buy again. So you know, scalping is that once we're on profit, take our profit. You see the 15 minutes, we've seen a sell of 2. So let's check. Stop loss of 5. JPBUSD, let's see. Okay, so this should go in our favor. Once we're on a profit, we close the trade. Let's check. 5 minutes. Wow. On a strong buy here, you see JPBUSD, you're having strong buy, 0 0. See what I told you? But when you take it, you have to have like 0 0 here. So this is on a strong buy. So I think we're gonna make a lot of profit on this. So now profit on $1, $1.67, 1.99, 1.91. We close it here. Let's see. I think this is on a strong buy. I think we should still leave it open since we're on a strong buy for 550. Hourly on a normal buy. I think let's still leave it open. Oh, now we'll profit on $2. $2 profit. back to $1 profit. So let's to check. Yeah, this JPB USD. So you see for the sell we still have 0.0, so that's good. This is a strong buy. The Euro USD. Okay, so let's check where we are right now. In our profit on $2.63 profit. Okay. If this video is helpful, kindly hit the like button so we could trade all day. If you're new to now profit on $3. If you're new to IK option, click the link in the description, create your IK option account, trade with me every day. Profit, we make losses. By the end of the day, we profit more. Now our profit on $3.4 profit. Okay, so let's check. Are we still on a strong buy? Okay, so still on a strong buy. Still on a strong buy. 12.9. 12.9. Should we close this trade? We up $3 profit. Okay, we up $3 profit. If we get to $3 again, we'll close it right now. Okay. So we've profited $3.26 on this trade. Our account is up to $104. So we made a profit of dollars profit. Okay. Let's check Euro USD. Euro USD is not yet on a good. JPB USD still on a strong buy. Should we still buy this? Okay, so see, I think should we buy this. Let's refresh. Strong buy. Okay, so I think we should still play $10. Oh, stop. Okay. Oh, stop us $5. Is this still gonna be on the uptrend? It's gonna go down back. On a strong buy. We still have a strong buy signal on JPB USD. We still have a strong buy signal for Euro USD. Euro USD, we're now on neutral. You don't place a trade on neutral. You have a strong buy, but at least I told you here it needs to be 0.0. Like you can see the JPB USD, you're having 0.0 here for a strong buy. There we are. Okay, we up $3 again. Okay, we up $3 again. Okay, so should we close this here? Bam. Okay, so we close this trade. Another profit of $3.74 profit. Our account is up to $108. Let's check. Another profit. Still on an uptrend though. Let's check. So you see, we're riding with the trend, and then we cashing out. Riding with the trend, we're taking our profit. Riding. We left this currency at the right time early. So you're still on a strong buy though. Should we place another one? Let's check. Let's our stop loss at $5 stop loss. Okay, let me get in this sell here. Still on the hourly. We still have a strong buy. Wow. Okay, so we still have a strong buy. Wow, we want to profit again, $3 profit again. So let's close this trade on 3. Close this trade on 3. Okay, so Fresh. Okay, so if you're new to trading, use the link in the description, create your trading account, and you could start on the demo. And you could trade on the demo. So you join the trading. Use the link in the description, create your trading account. So we trade together, we're trading all day. Wow, so we could have closed that trade profit. Wow. Okay. Let's welcome. Link in. Let's trade together. So okay, for JPBUSD, this is still on the uptrend. Let's check. Still have a strong buy. So if we make another profit on this, I think we should look for other currencies. Still have a strong buy for the 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Let's check. Have a strong buy. Okay, so as it goes. For Euro USD, is just moving on its own right now. So let's see if we're gonna close on a profit again. So at the beginning of the stream, I showed you how to set up your 3 indicators and oscillators. 5 minutes, we still have a strong buy. At the beginning of the stream, I explained everything, how to set your indicators and oscillators. If you're new, you back to the okay, let me just show you. So you see your indicators. You need to set your 3 indicators of moving averages and 1 oscillator. The first indicator, you're going to use a period of 25. You type at EMA, leave it at the red. The second indicator at red at 18, type at EMA, the red. Okay, so we made a loss of $3 on this. Let's check. Our stop loss closed the trade for us. Okay, let's check. Oh, still on a strong buy. Then we made a loss. So let's check Euro USD. Euro USD is on a strong buy right now. Euro USD is on a strong. Our account is down to 100. Okay, so you see why it's good to set a stop loss. Set a stop loss at 3. No, I set my stop loss at $5, but I had to adjust it for I could have left it at that $5. Down 4. We have a okay. Now we have a sell here. You have a strong buy as USD card. You have a strong. Let's check. USD card. Now you see, yellow line cross the 2 red line. Awesome Oscillator has not yet gone to the positive side. We're seeing a strong buy signal. Five minutes. JPB-USD, we still have a strong buy. Used to buy this. Made a loss on JPB-USD, so I think we should give it a rest for now, because I think it's almost close to the resistance level. Let's check. This is like the highest level, like hours now, and it's getting close to that point. Yes, if you're having a strong buy. So I told you need to have a strong buy for the 5 minutes, 15 hourly. You need to have a strong buy, and then when you have a strong buy, here needs to be like 0 0, not 4. See, now it's 4 and 2. You need to be on 0 0 or 0 1 before you place. Like you can see this strong buy having a 0 0 there. I think if we set our stop loss at 5, we could still be on the profit. Clean up. I think if we placed our stop loss at $5, I adjusted it to 3, so it cut me out at 3. Place it at 5, I think. Is the Yo, if you're watching the stream, if you're enjoying the stream, kindly give it a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be trading every day. You can join my Telegram channel, link in the description, so you get updates when I'm going live. Okay. On the homepage, investing.com, on the homepage, you're going to see this. So it has to correlate with our indicators and oscillator. So you please. Now in forex trading, there's nothing like the best winning strategy. All strategy work. You know, you're going to make a loss, you're going to make a profit, but you need to stick with one strategy, and you don't rush to place your trades. Don't sell huge amounts, stop loss, and gradually you build your account. Okay, let's see. We started at 100. Now the buy candle is finished. I think now on another candle. That's why it's called candlesticks. So I told you, change your charts. You see your chart type here. We're not using the line, we're using the candles, so it's called candlesticks. So for each, if the movement is on the uptrend, it's going to be on a candle. You see the green candles tells you that it was going on an uptrend. The red candle tells you that it's on the downtrend. And then the moving averages, what they do is that they kind of sum all the ups and downs. I think we're on another uptrend for the check. Let's confirm. Still on a clean buy signal for D. I think we could have profited a lot. Okay, let's check. Clean buy signal. Hope we don't make a loss on D. See? I have a strong buy signal. Strong buy signal. 5 minutes time frame. Having strong hourly. Oh, have a drop hourly. So see. Let's see if we could make that tree we lost. Let's see if we could make that tree we lost. Okay. Let's try and ride with this. Okay, now with the profit of $1 profit right now. $1 profit right now, okay. So at the level it is right now, I think you can see it's still on this level. If it should go past this level, it means we're gonna be on a very high uptrend. Let's see. At the profit of 1.5. So keep checking. You know, we set our stop loss at $5, so risking 5. We have a strong buy for. Now you see this strong buy. You see on the sell you have 0.0. So that's what you need to have. You need to have 0.0 on both or 0.1. You know, before you place your trades. Let's see. You close it here. It's risky. Let's check. Okay. Have a strong buy signal. Hourly 3. This hourly should go up more. I think we're gonna close it. On a strong buy for 5 and 50. I think if we should get a profit of $3 again, we close. So it's going down 0.4 profit. Wow, now at the loss rate. Check. We still have a strong buy. Have a strong. Let's see what lots of. Okay. Let's hope this goes keep going up. Okay, so if you're new to the stream, kindly hit the like button, subscribe. Trading all day. If you're new to trading, use the link in the description. Create your IK option trading account. Follow me on Instagram. My link in the description. Send me a DM on Instagram. At a loss of, I think we're on the red candlestick right now. I think it's closing straight on a loss. We have a strong buy signal. Let's refresh. Let's check. We have a strong buy signal. Let's not get. Once we have any sell here, man, we're going to close this trade. We're at the loss of $2 right now. At a loss of $1. Please keep going up, please. Keep up. If you get to a profit on this trade, or we'll close this trade, right? This key one there. Let's check out. I have a strong buy for the 5 minutes, 15 hourly. So let's hope we get to profit. Let's hope we get to profit on this trade. I have a strong buy. Hourly is now. So you see, it's kind of like resisting uptrend. So we made a loss of 3. That's not a good time. That loss, we have to make a profit. The Euro USD is just on the uptrend, it's not on the downtrend. This is just small. Let's see. Okay, if you're new, also on the description, I also put I also talked about the strategy, so you can also read it there. Link to create your account. So always ask how much are we planning to make today. Let's see if we could get to profit of $30 or more. It all depends. You know, for this video I'm using a small account, so let's see. You know, if we're trading, you know, the larger your account, larger the profit you make. So we're using $10, and you see with $10 we're making $3. If it's that we're using like $100, that $3 will be $30. So you understand. So because we're using $100, so we don't want to risk too much. We have to grow slowly. So if I was using $1,000 right now, those $3 profit will be $30 profit, and then we set our stop loss at that $30 on. So for this $100 account, let's see if we can move up to $30 today. Let's see if we close that one. It all depends. It all depends on it. I have a strong buy. Let's skip. I have a strong feeling. I don't have that strong feeling. You still have a strong buy. You still have a strong buy signal over here. 5 minutes, 15 minutes. The hourly, you see, here was 2 before, now it's 3, so you should go up more. I think I'm gonna close this. Now at a profit of 0.4. I got great I believe on this currency that it's gonna keep going. Now a profit of $1 right now. See, let's go great, because as you can see, the yellow line crossed the 2 red line up. Now you can see before this, before you could go down like this, before you could go back again, you need to at least hit level. So great forward. Have a strong. When you get a strong buy, you need to have 0. The areas you see on neutral, not the best time to trade. Have a strong buy, but you see you have 4 and 1 for the 15 minutes, not still the best time. Okay, so you have a strong buy. You see 0-0, check USD having 4-1. You see the difference. So you only place your trade when you have 0-0. At least you have more opportunity, chances of profit. Though you could still make a loss, then you know how much you're risking. It's a risky process, right? I think this currency is just turning on its own, so I think we should just close. I think we should close it right here. Check. Okay. So we'll close it at this one. Let's check if this candle is gonna go up, because as it is, this currency is just, so we have a strong buy. I think it's resisting. You can see like it's resisting this level. See, it's also the same level here. Let's check in the last 12 hours, almost on the same level. So for it to, it's resisting this level to go up more. But I think this is gonna go down later. That's why we had to leave the trade. A little profit. Yeah, it's better you make a little profit of 0 than to lose $3. So out of that, let's see. Look at the line. You can see if this could pass this level. I'm gonna buy again. I've got the feeling that you want. See here, it passed that level. And this was on the 16th. Pass this level again. Check if you have a strong. Have a strong buy. Let's see, we still have a strong buy on this ball. Okay, so now you see on the 5 minutes, you see we now have a sell. If you know it was 0-0 before, now it's 1-0. So I think that's why I told you. I think this is gonna go down. If we were still on this trade, we have made a loss right now. The red candle is on red. time. So you could see, like, you look at this. Okay, here's the card. Let's check. Here's the card. On the 5 minutes we want to buy. We're not on a strong buy yet. Right? So I think USD card will be the best. So let's cross the two red line here. Cross the two red line here, but we need to be very sure that okay, it's still on the buy. It's not yet on a strong buy. You see, still have 3 cells. Have 1 cell. 15 minutes on a strong buy. These 5 minutes could turn to a strong buy. I think we'll go for a USD card. Have a cell. Wow, so if we're still on this trade, we could have lost a whole lot. Yeah, it's good we left at profit of 16. But I told you this, since it has gotten to this level, and see this level, it was on this level yesterday. This was the highest level it was yesterday. So for you to pass this level, it's gonna take a whole lot. So we left the trade at that level. Now it's on the downtrend. It's on the downtrend, but it's not yet a good time to sell it because you still have a strong buy. Okay, now see the strong buy now have 2 and 1. Before we had 1 and 0, now we had 2 and 1. So this is how it's going to be moving to the card. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep a strong buy for this. See if these two could strong buy. Okay. Oh boy. I want to get a strong buy signal. Wow. See the way, see. This is not a good time to place. I'm gonna make a loss. Then look at this. Let's try this. Okay. This our stop loss at $5 stop loss. USD card. Have a strong buy signal. We have 0 0. We have 0 1. Sorry. So we need to have something like 0 1. Hourly you have 0 0. 0 1 0 1. This is what we need. And also our red line, our yellow line across the 2 red lines. So let's see if we're gonna go up tomorrow. And we close this trade on. Go up tomorrow. Profit. USD card. We're on USD card right now. But the currency, if the value of the USD to the Canadian dollars, if it goes up, we're gonna make a profit. If it goes down, we're gonna make a loss. It's $10. Our stop loss at 5. Let's see. Got a strong buy. Whoa. Got a neutral. Wow, got a neutral right here. This is straight here. We're gonna see, we have a strong. This was on a strong buy just now, and now it's on neutral. Go to 2. All is still on. I'll stop loss at 3. Make a loss of 3. We adjust our stop loss. So just now, Wow. Now, strong buy and just now is on neutral. Lots of things down. Lots of things down. Wow, JPB USD. Have a strong buy. Is not going. Oh, see? Bad, bad currency, man. It's a bad currency, bro. BUSD. Our account is down to 9. Wow. And today is rough. Today is rough. Oh wow. Today is okay, so really hope we have right now is on Euro USD. So let's see if Euro USD is gonna be have a strong buy here. Strong buy here. We made a loss. Have a strong buy. See? So we're down $4. Started with 100, down 96. We're up 108. Now we're down to 6, man. It's a rough day, bro. Hit the like button if you're learning something from this. See? So you see why you need to use stop loss, and then don't trade with huge amount, because it happen. You know, we're on the London session right now, so the banks are opening, everyone is ready to trade. USD should still be. So this a strong buy on so it could be on a strong buy, and then in the next seconds it turns to a neutral, just like the same thing that happened to us on the USD card. You know, it was on a strong buy, it changed to neutral immediately after we've placed the trade, and then now you could see it's on a strong sell. It is what it is, bro. Euro USD, you see on a strong. I think we should still buy. What do you think for Euro USD? Let me see what you think. Euro USD go up. Look of things. I think it's still. Let's buy this with faith. ABBUS is still on. Made the loss on this guy. Can we trade again? I'll stop it. Let's go all in now. Say I'll stop it. On a strong 5-4. Which profit we're going to make? We're going to now you could always use the demo account. Aki Option provides the demo account, so you could always use the demo account to test. Not Euro USD is good move. Let's see. So I think we should set our stop loss. We're still gonna adjust. As long as we still have a strong buy, goes close to our stop loss. That at this JBPUSD, what we're trading. I think we had 96 account, so no. We had $96 on our account. I think we should set our stop loss. So we lose this trade down to $90. Profit on this trade, so we're heading over to 100 back. Fingers crossed. Let's see if we profit on this. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe, hit the like button if you're finding this video helpful. Also, link provided in the description to create your trading account, to trade on the demo. So practice strategy on the demo, set your 3 indicators and your 1 oscillator. So we still have a strong buy for the 5 and the 50. Have a strong buy for Euro USD. Euro USD we have no trust, so it's not time to trade. Let's hope we close this on a profit. Risking $10 on this. Also, you could check other currencies. Yeah, I look 1 or 2 currencies at a time, or 3. So you could monitor all your trades. We still have a strong buy. We have a strong buy on this. Gas cross. Let's see if we have a strong. Here's this neutral. Okay, so for what I do mainly is day trading, so scalping the market. Or for some people, you put your trades and then you leave it open. So let's say, like you see, this was in the morning. It was 4 a.m. in the morning. If you could have placed a buy trade on this and left it for, you see, this for like, it's like 8 right now, so it's like for kind of like 3-4 hours. I made a profit. Most people like to place a trade and then leave it for time, but we were riding on the trend and then we cashing out, taking our profit as we go. Take some losses too. Now on the profit of 0. We still have a strong buy on this. Hourly on the day. Euro USD, you see it was neutral, now it's on sell, so Euro USD is not a good one. I'm gonna close this and head out of this, which is risky currency, bro. Now is not a good time to trade as if you're scalping. I'm gonna leave it for time then. Now, see if this yellow line is gonna cross this 2 red line, then it's gonna go downtrend. Then our awesome oscillator has to go on the negative side. We could sell these. Now, not a good time for you. So this website, investing.com, you go to the website on the home page, you're going to see this graph. So they should be live, and then they've also set their own indicators and oscillators. You have to get a strong oscillators before you have a strong buy. Oh, this is very strong buy on 5 minutes and 15 minutes. We still have a very strong buy. 5 minutes, we still have a very strong on a loss of 4. I have a strong buy. I just have a stop loss of $10 though. 100%. Why I did that is because we have a strong buy. We've opened it. I have a very strong buy on this coin. 0 0 0 0. Strong buy on this coin. This currency has to. Let's check. Yo, this is a. Wait. I have a strong buy. Let's set this at 10. If we should hit 10, then we close. Out. If you hit a loss of $10, we out of this. Man, we down 7. Wow. Let's see if it's gonna resist this and go back up. Down 5. Keep checking. Yo. I have a strong set. That's loss. Loss of $7 and we out. Right? I have a strong buy for 5 minutes. I have just sell. Down $7, we out of risky. We down 6. That's 6. Since we have 96 in our account, so we down 6 and out of the down 4. Have a strong buy. I have a sell here, so down 4. Kindly hit the like button if you're finding this stream cool. Ask your question on the live chat. Down 5. So our stop loss at 6, so down 6, we're out of this trade. We have a strong buy. Oh, for the daily, we had a strong buy. Now we have a we close this trade at loss of 2 because this is on risky. We should close trade at loss of 60. Let's see, we should pass this level. Let's check. Pass. Oh, down 93 right now. We lost it straight. Off. For Euro USD, we have neutral. We have a buy. We don't have a strong buy. APB. We had a strong buy, but right now we had the sell. We now have 3 here. We have 1. Our favor at all. I think we'll just keep monitoring the charts and let's see. Monitoring the charts and let's add one more. Right. Now you see all three major currencies are on. All 3 currencies are major currencies because they have the USD attached. So you could see that it's in our favor if we make. Here's the chef. Rough graph here. Started with 100, we down 93. We lost $7 on the way, and then we're up 105 at the beginning. Like we hit 108 now. Made a profit of we hit 108. Now we're down to 93. So it's kind of rough today. See how it goes. Keep monitoring the graph. Keep monitoring that. That's day trading for you. You know. Have to keep that and know when is the right time. Most times you enter, you think it's the right time. That's why there's nothing like a winning strategy. You have to stick to one strategy and keep monitoring the charts. At the end of the week, you know, you have 5 trading days in a week, Mondays to Fridays, and then you could increase your account to like 30 pages. So for 100, you move it to 150. At the end of the week, if it's 1,000, you move it to 1,500. It depends on your account size. So I started this, created this account just for the live stream and deposited $100. You could switch over to the demo. If you don't have the money to deposit, switch over to the demo, and that option gives you demo cash to use. So see, the chart is also the same thing on the live and on the demo. Also the same. Alright, so if you're new to the live stream, you're going to need to set your 3 indicators and your one awesome oscillator. The IQ option account at the left hand side of the screen. See the right indicators. Over to the moving averages. Moving averages, you add them. So you're going to set your first indicator, you set your period at 25, type MR color red, 14 plus 17, MA. Awesome oscillator, you set your period at this, last period at 4. So once you're done with that, once the yellow line crosses the 2 red line on the upward, then it's on an uptrend and then we sell. So you could see at this point here, when the yellow line crossed the 2 red lines, it was on an upward trend. And then if we bought this currency at this point, we could make, now you can see, and also when the yellow line crosses the 2 red line on a downward trend, sell. So you see it over here. Then the awesome oscillator will go to the negative. That's how we could just say, okay, let's keep waiting till this yellow line crosses the line, and then we'll check the signal over there. Now you can see here when we started, this is that we bought it here and then we left it here. If you have any question, you can ask me the question in the live chat. If you have any question at all, have a strong. Oh, stop. Oh. Let's choose $1. I was meant to place the trade with $10. I placed the trade with $1. Or should we trade $1? Because it all depends. So you could have $100 account and you could trade with 10% of $100 account, means each trade you trade with $10. Or you could trade with 1%. So you have a $10 account, we could trade with $1. So if we make a loss of $1, if we make a profit, keep riding on that. So what do you think? What do you think? Should we keep trading with the $10 or we should trade with $1? What do you think? So should we be trading with 1% or 10%? Because for this $100 account, the best one I always use is $10. And it all depends. So depending on your account size, you know how much you go. Always have it in mind that if you think the going very, very high and all, don't do such, because anything could happen anytime. So it's better you lose 10% of your total account than losing 100% or the whole of 50%. APBUSD. No, but this currency is on a strong uptrend. Let's stand. I'll stop it. because we have a strong buy on 5. Strong buy on 5. Close this guy on. So we're having high hopes that this let's see if we can make profit. Because you see, I told you this. What I told you, if you should pass this down level, then I have high hopes for this. Let's take our I said 480. That's more than. See now at the profit of $2. Profit. Have a strong buy signal. Have a strong buy 550 and 20 and hourly one. High hopes for this. High hopes for this. Now you see the strong buy, you see we have 0 0 here, nothing. That's really a strong signal. Now it shows some that it could change in the next seconds, it could change. Like you've seen it in the other trades now. Now with a profit of $2, I think we should still leave this and let's see. Profit of 2.3, 2.5. Okay, so profit of 2 down to 5. Let's see, we still have a strong buy signal. That's what we need. At the profit of $3, I think this currency is gonna close. It's gonna take our account back to home. But on their own graph, you see they've set 12 moving averages and 7 indicators on their own graph, and then all their moving averages and indicators is telling them that this should be strong buy. So it links with our own. So have a strong buy signal. What do you think? What profit should we close this trade? We're at the profit of $2 right now. So if you're new to trading, link in the description. Create your trading account. I've written the strategy down in the description. So if you're new, if you're just joining, so you could join the trade. We're at the profit of $3 right now. We're close to 4. Okay, now a profit of $4 down to 3.9. Let's see. Have a strong buy. Have a strong buy for 5 minutes, 15 minutes hourly. So we keep riding with the trend and See what. So this stuff hit $4 before, so let's see. I think we should hit $4 again. Once we get to that point again, our signals is still linking, then we keep buying the. We up $4 again, 5, profit of 4. Let's check our signal. Have a strong buy for 5 minutes at 9:12, and I think making profit. So let's see, we'll profit of $4 right now. Let's see if we could get to profit of $5 right now. Okay, well, the profit of $5, 5.5. 5.6. Let's check our signal. Have a strong buy. Have a strong buy. So good trade. Down 4.9. Up. I mean, we're down like profit. 0.9 profit right now. Yeah. On. Kind of a resistance there, so indicators are saying strong buy, average moving average staying strong buy. Okay, so you could imagine if we could have placed this trade at this point. So I think if this stuff should get 5, let's close it at 5. We had 96, so if we close it at 5, we'll up 101 back. See. Hourly is still on the street. Back. I think we should don't be too greedy. Let's take our profit at $5. $5 we close this trade. We have a strong buy signal. Take profit at 5. Take profit at 3. At 96. at 4, take profit at 5, 4.2 at 5, and then if we get to that, if we cross that line again, at that point we take profit at 5. If we should cross that line again and we still have a strong buy, we keep riding. Take profit at $5. That should be 50% profit. Get to have a strong buy. Head to 5, hit 5, hit 5, hit 5. Let's close at 5. Close at 5. So we made a profit of 5.57. Let's check. So close at 5. Up 9.5. Let's check. Level we closed. Okay. The value was that's the level we closed that trade was 1.257, and it's 258. Those are 1.257. That's 1.258 now. So let's see, do we have a strong buy? I think we should place it again. Because we stop loss down. I have a strong buy here. Let's see if we can profit on. I'll stop loss at $5. Once we could ride on a profit here again, we close the trade. Not looking at getting to $5 again. We have a strong buy. So we still have a strong buy. See? Strong buy for I'll stop it. Should stop. We could profit on. We could profit on. Okay, so we're heading to profit zone. Now we're on the profit. Profit right now. Profit. Let's check our signal. You have a strong buy. Euro USD is on a strong buy. So Euro USD is on a strong buy. Yes. Wow, Euro USD is on a strong buy. But it, so we are here right now. set our stop loss at $5. Heading to my life, adjust. Have a strong. I don't think the market is. So we'll place $10, set our stop loss, and then let's see. I believe this is still going to be on an uptrend. Check out. So our signal, we still have a strong buy. At least for the next 1 hour, 5 minutes, 15. Next 1 hour, we still have a strong buy. So see. We're having some issues with the signal and okay, so we're on a profit of 0.46. So let's see. Once we notice this, it's going to be on a downtrend. Have to part of the trade. Have a strong buy for GT. So I'm still going to leave the trades on. Having a strong buy signal for this. For the 5-minute strong buy deals, having a sell. So you can imagine we bought this currency at this level. Okay, at this level, because this is when it crossed the two red lines. Imagine we bought it at this level. Imagine how many pips at this point. So let's leave the trade on. So it's called we're riding with the trend. Euro USD is on a good trend right now. See when the yellow line crossed the two red line, it was on an uptrend. Now it went down small. You see, so for this guy, for I think if it gets to this level, I think it's still going to be going up, but this is not a good time to. For me, this is not a good time to place. Let's see how this. We have a strong buy. See, we have 0 sells. We have 0 sells. 0 sells. We have a strong buy on this. So let's see. Let's leave this. So we still got a strong buy. Got a strong buy on JPB USD. Oh, Shelby said good luck. Thanks, bro. All right, so if you're new to the live stream or you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe, hit the like button. It helps. Up $2 right now. Okay, 1.8. I think this we should close a good profit on this currency. You got a strong buy signal. We got a strong buy signal, so we're still gonna leave this at least for the next 1 hour. The next 1 hour or 2 hours. Just if you check from this level, it was 7 a.m. and then it took them to Australia. So we're gonna leave this trade for the next. Let's. So the more it keeps going up, the more we keep adjusting our stop loss grabs. So at the end of the day, we're not going to close our loss. We're going to Euro USD is not on the strong buy. You see, all buy. Now you can see 0 0 0 0 0 0. This kind of signal is very strong. See, it's different from you see Eurochef. Sell. You see a sell, but they're not yet sure because 6 moving averages are still on the buy, 6 are still on the sell. So you don't place a trade on this. On a strong buy, 5 minutes. Wow, this one will also be good. USD. On neutral, you don't trade on this. So let's keep. See how it goes. The profit $8 down to. So the more you keep going high, the more you keep adjusting. Stop loss. So for it to move from here to here, let's get to here. I'm gonna leave this. Hopefully we end at a good profit today. That's a goal. Kindly hit the like button, please. If you're streaming this on Facebook, my Facebook page, kindly like the page. If you're new to trading, the link in the description. Create your trading account. You could trade on the demo. Trade on the demo. You've got $10 free on the demo. We up $4. $4 right now. That was signal. You see, this is just free signal. You don't pay for any signal, VIPs, stuff like that. You're trading Forex, you need to keep monitoring the charts. You could take out 6 hours a day, monitor the charts, place your trades, you make your losses, you make your profit. You don't wait and sit down and hope for a signal come and then you place your trades and you sleep and wake up. So you don't do things like that. You have to focus, monitor the charts. That's why it's called day trading. You're a day trader. You spend some hours every day, ride with the trends and cash out. See our profit at $3 profit. So the plan, we started at 100. The plan was if we could get this account to 130, 150 at the end of it. But I feel like we're gonna make it up. We up $5. You see, as we keep going up, we keep adjusting our stop loss. We have a strong buy. Let's keep riding with the trend. So now you could see, okay, now take a look. You get to this before this two red line could get close to this yellow line, and then it should cross again. It's going to still have to move up. So this is really going to be a you got a strong buy. JPB got a strong buy. There it goes. Fan of you. Thanks for the support. Let's make money together. We're up $3. I think I'll close this I might close it at 5 or a $10 profit. Let's just leave the trade. So adjusting our stop loss to that strong buy. Immediately we get any sell at this side, now going down on a downtrend. We have a strong buy for 5 minutes, 15 minutes hourly time frame. Let's keep money. I think it's still gonna go back up. Looking at this stop at this level, riding our account back to 110. Okay. So create your demo account, create your account, link in the description. You could place this trade right now on the JPP USD. Place your trade right now. Go on the demo. So let's write this. Let's write this together. A profit of 3.4. And don't forget to hit the like button so I could keep trading. So we could keep trading all day. For the support. Let's trade, let's make money together. Link to my Instagram, free Instagram channel. That's where I update you all when I'm going live. So issues with withdrawals, or I feel this should still be on an uptrend. Riding of profit. I love this. Alright. So the thing is that in the morning when the London session is still on, we have different sessions. So most of the currencies will be on a strong buy, and then like in the afternoon, like from that 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., then they'll be on a downtrend, and then that will be on a strong sell. So you could spend like 12 hours a day monitoring the charts, riding with the trends, cashing out, and also make some losses, some profit too. So keep going, and then along the way have a strong buy. Let's see. Okay, shorting now. Sure. Just keep following the live stream. You could ask any question. You could ask any question you have. If you have any question, you could ask. Okay, so we still have a strong buy signal. Okay, so I think okay, so if you can see right now on the 5 minutes time frame, we now have two sell signals. So this might be on the down, might be going on trend. So we've taken our account back to $100. You know, we started $100, moved it to 108. We lost it. We went down to 996. Now we're back to 100. But today is kind of rough. Let's look for other currency pairs. So you see, with the proper stop loss and the proper amount, you could still keep your account active instead of blowing up your account. Some people, you start with $100, you trade with $50, $60, you blow everything off. You have to take it gradual, use your risk management very well. set your stop loss at half of the price or 30%, so you don't lose your whole account on a loss. Forex trading, you're going to make losses and profits. So that's how the game. Now we have two sales. For two sales now, I don't use them. Buy might be on a downtrend. The market will resist, so we're still going to buy this. We're still going to go on this trend again. Let's keep on. If you go past this level, buy again. Because you see, the market, it goes up, goes up, it goes up, it goes down, trying to resist, and then it keeps going back up. So let's see this. Maybe that this might be like a lead down trend, kind of going up. Our signals. Wow, I have one sell here to chill. So we still have a strong buy, 5 minutes, 15 minutes hourly. So back to a strong buy. So fighting with this. If you're finding this live stream helpful, kindly share it on your social media. Let your friends know. Trading all day. try and make profit. Let's try and make profit. If you're new, link in the description. You can create your IK option trading account, trade on the demo, or you could trade on the live. Right now we're on the live account. We started with $100. At the beginning I explained the strategy. Like, let me explain it again. So first off, you're going to change your charts to candlesticks. Your charts to candlesticks, and then you're going to add three indicators of moving average and one oscillator. How you're going to set your first indicator at period of 5, EMA, color at the red. Second indicator at period of 18, EMA also, and color at the red, medium thickness. And then your third indicator, period of 7, EMA, color yellow. So your awesome oscillator, you're going to set your awesome oscillator slow period at 35, fast period at 4. And then let me show you where your awesome oscillator is. Go into momentum, you're going to see awesome oscillator. Then when the yellow line crosses the two red lines in an upward direction and the oscillator moves to the positive side, click on the buy button. When the yellow line, you can see the yellow line here, it crosses the two red line in the upward direction, then this is our awesome oscillator. It moves to the positive side, and this is the positive side. When it moves to the positive side, we know it's on an uptrend, and then we ride with the trend. Keep making profit on the trend, and then we scalping the trend, and then when the yellow line crosses the two red line in the downward direction, and then the awesome oscillator moves side, then we know it's on a downtrend. Let me show you an example of that. You see right here, when the yellow line crosses the line going down, awesome oscillator now goes to the negative side. We could sell. Now we're on an uptrend. Now we don't have a strong buy, we now have two sells, one sell. So risky. Hourly we see on a strong buy. Daily we see on a 5. So taking it with fade, bro. Fade. Gonna make profit on it. Down $2. Before this yellow line could get to this, either it goes high. The 15 minutes should change, then we really know that. 15 minutes is still on a strong buy, so if this should change, So for the market to keep going on the uptrend, it's going to resist. So you know what I told you, like you see, went up to this level and then it resist and went down and then up as the level back. So let's hope happen here. Have a strong buy for hourly. Let's see in the next 1 hour. Have a strong. We've got a very strong buy signal. Very strong buy. See, no sales, no sales, no sales. So you should keep going. But I think once you resist here, I think you should. still have a strong signal on GBP. We're going to leave the trade open. 5 minutes, we still have sell buys. We have a strong buy on the 50. Hourly, we still have a strong buy. So I think we could get here to the profit zone. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the live stream, kindly hit the like button, subscribe. I'll be trading live Mondays to Fridays. If you have any question, you could leave your questions on the live chat. I'll answer your question in the live chat. Link in the description to create your account. Okay, 45 minutes, we've got 3 sells, 1 sell. Let's keep monitoring this. If this value should increase, then we'll get into a downtrend. Then we're gonna so we still got a strong buy signal. No, it was 3 and it was 2 here, now it's 1, so market should stay on an uptrend. So this is just how it is. You set your position and then you keep monitoring the charts. That's why you call the day trader. If you're new to trading, hit the link in the description, create your trading account, trade on the demo, trade on the live account. So we can click. Got a strong buy signal. This website is called investing.com. On the homepage, you're going to see this chart, and then you head over, you click on the Forex. Got this. All right, so I saw a question. What was the reason to long JBB? Okay, so I told you we've set our three indicators and our oscillators. So you see this our yellow indicator line cross these two red lines in the upward direction, and that's a long. That's when we're going to buy. And then you see our awesome oscillator is also on the positive side. And then also we also got a strong signal from here. You see, no more on the strong buy, it's now on the buy. A strong buy. Okay, so now it's down to a buy. So let's see. Once this 15 minutes change to a buy, then we have to now close. A loss of $5 out of why? Because we're no more on a strong buy, not on a normal buy now. So that's the reason why we long this. Okay, so now we now have a strong buy. Okay, so strong buy for 5, strong buy for 50. This should still keep going up. All right, so you said, can you show us where your target is? Uh, I told you for we're riding the trend, so we don't really have a certain value that okay, like our take profit now. So we're riding the trends. When we see it's on an uptrend, ride with the trend, keep riding the trends, the up and down trends, our profit. Those are trades. If you be setting your if you're like setting your trades overnight of multiple hours, then you could set the target take profit point. So that's not what we're doing. We're trading the market and we'll keep going. Alright, so the 5 minutes is no more on a strong buy, it's now on a buy. 10 minutes is now on a strong buy. Hourly is still on a strong buy, so there you go. profit right now. Let's keep the position open. You know, took a long time still diving on still riding. Now we are at $11 spend. Let's see. Still getting a good signal. Getting a strong buy. So we're gonna leave this position open. Let's see how it goes. Oh, we should close it at the 10. Okay, let's leave the position open. Let's leave it open. Leave it open. Oh wow, so now we're $10 right now. Okay, I think we should still leave this position open. Yeah, it is as I'm adjusting my stop loss. So then you can see we still have the video. Now we up demo. Five minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour time. think it's too long.